everyone, come with us as we go see the Capitol Airshow here and Mather Airport in Sacramento, California. This is our first Airshow. We are looking forward to see the Blue Angel Airshow. This is our very first Airshow and we are excited, especially my son Elijah. He is into aircraft. And we'll see, we're going to take you with us to explore what they have. They do have quite a few vendors out here at the air show. They have food vendors, merchant vendors, and they also have a backstage performance. They have a lot of aircraft here on displays, as you can see. It's very quite interesting. Careful. Watch your step, baby. Is she new helicopter?
Does it have wheels?
Elijah, what kind of helicopter is this?
It's an orange helicopter.
And I think it just goes in there and look too.
What kind of plane is this?
I don't know what kind of plane is that.
Lucky, see my belts.
the aircraft. Here we are with a little spot waiting for the show to begin.
Very rare mosquito and spitfire. Thrust. This high efficiency wing. Watch this jet. C-130 Hercules.
The Viper at a 23 degrees nose up position and moving at only 120 miles per hour. When you reach the show center, be positioned to apply full afterburner and pull back on the stick for your vertical climb. Demonstrate the F-16's awesome thrust to weight ratio.
Here's some photos that we're able to capture from the air show. If you have not attended the air show before,
I do highly recommend it. The team did such an excellent job, from the aviation to the music. Everything was so well put together. The kids will absolutely love it. I know that my kids absolutely enjoy this show. Everything was so well worth your money. We will actually be returning to their next air show. Thank you so much for watching.